Assalamualaikum everybody. So today's vlog is about unboxing Ikon wireless microphone. So let's see what are its properties. Over here we have is 10 to 20 free barrier and intelligent noise reduction, and it gives you plenty more, two more. So over here you can use it in live shows, interviews, and even in vlog short videos. So let's start. I'm so excited. So guys, we're going to open it. So let's go. It's a little tough to open. Wow, look at that. So wow. Oh, they got a charger and instructions. Here's the small microphone. Some to plug it in your mobile, and here's the instruction. It's so easy to use, so I don't need instructions. We have the charger over here, super cool. Now let's get the microphone out. Ooh, super cute. You can put it on your collar. And here we have is this for your mobiles, and if you have an iPhone you can just plug it in like this. My mother has an iPhone, so it's super handy, you know. So let's get to see. Let's check it. I've charged it, and now you can see, and you have to press this button. There's a start button, so be careful. If you don't press it, then it won't work. So let's check if it works nice, and I have to keep it from a little distance from my mouth so it does not get really, you know, too much sound. So let's go. Hello, 1, 2, 3, checking. Let's see. I hope it's good. Hello, 1, 2, 3, checking. Oh, it's awesome. That was so good. Now let's. So bye everybody, and I hope it works in the mall where there's super noise and my voice becomes more clear to you. So let's see. Bye. See you later.